I just got my brand new SMARTELF Smart Cat box set up. This isn't the first one that I've ever had. I had to get rid of my old one that was the exact same style, and so I know a lot about this one. I'm gonna get it set up, show you all the features, and hopefully get my cats in here and show you just how well it works and help you decide if this one right here is right for you. So this is how it ships in a nice large box, really well protected with a lot of foam, and the entire thing is wrapped in plastic. Here's a look at it up close with a timer on the right side here and a simple 4-button control panel on the other. Right away, I opened up the back portion to reveal a small brush, which is really useful, a plastic scoop, the power adapter, 2 rolls of trash bags, and 2 sets of these foam pieces, which are crucial. It's also got a very detailed instruction manual because there's a lot to this. And very quickly, I was on my way to getting started with this, and I did have to troubleshoot this red light right away, and it just looks like I didn't have the foot pedestal installed properly, but a blue light let me know that I was ready to get started. And on the inside here, you can see a minimum and maximum fill line for the litter if you want it to operate properly. And I love this foot pedestal design because it traps litter so it doesn't fall all over your floor. Onto the back, there's a storage for the scoop, as well as this is where you place the trash bag, and all of the litter will come out right in the back right here, so you can easily switch it out after some time. Depending on how many cats you have, you might only have to do this once a week. So you got 4 buttons on the side here. Single tap if you want it to manually clean and the process will start. Got the sleep button right here that will make it quiet at night. You can single tap it to turn it on or off. You've got the LED indicator button so you can turn the light on or off if it's distracting. And then you can actually adjust the cleaning time from 10 minutes to 20 minutes. Right now it's set to 20 minutes, and if I tap it, it will be set to 10 minutes, meaning that after your cat uses this, it will clean in 10 minutes. So we're going to manually test the cleaning process, and this is one of the quicker ones on the market right here. So if I manually tap that to make it run, you'll see that the lid will close right here, and it'll be flashing blue telling you that it's working normally, and then change to green showing that it's running. And look how fast this actually works, you guys. So just like that, you can see that this one here takes about a minute to run, which is one of the faster ones in existence, you guys. It's really cool. I'll show you as well. You can turn the light on and off. It's got the UV light going on right now for sterilization. Let me show you just how easy it is to get this set up with litter, you guys. And this tray at the bottom is actually removable, so you can just pour the litter straight into it. And this litter was pretty much brand new, so I wanted my cat to be used to the scent, and I think it worked out really well because immediately she came over to this thing. It took less than 5 minutes for her to crawl inside. And then a couple minutes later, I caught her using it for the first time, so surprisingly, she got used to it in less than 10 minutes. And then you'll see here that as soon as she jumps out of the box, the light turns green, acknowledging that a cat has used it. And then 10 minutes later, it will start the cleaning process automatically, which is awesome. And like I said, about a minute later, you should have a nice, clean cat box. And all the clumped waste gets emptied out into the back, and you can just replace this bag when it gets full. So that's it for the SMARTELF cat box, you guys. This is a great kit right here that comes with everything you need to get started and keep your space clean. This is a really nice cat box and a fantastic upgrade if you've used any of these in the past. So hopefully you check out SMARTELF for your automatic litter box needs.